Commercial rooftop system repairs are made much easier and safer with the help of Cool Gel. It keeps the heat-sensitive components from sustaining any damage during brazing. Thoroughly shake the bottle and spray Cool Gel on the surface surrounding the repair area. Avoid spraying the surface where the flame will be applied. Cool Gel protects the system from heat or fire damage due to close proximity of the flame. Using Cool Gel on the coils near the brazing area will protect them from unnecessary heat, keeping the joints in good condition. As you are soldering or brazing, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied. After you complete your brazing, you can clean Cool Gel from the surfaces. For areas you cannot reach, simply leave it, and Cool Gel will evaporate without any remaining residue. Cool Gel helps you safely finish installations and eliminates costly repairs. For more information about Cool Gel, visit our website at laco.com.